Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you my personal break and retest strategy that has made me consistent profit in forex trading. In my opinion, there are two types of break and retest strategy. The first one is break and retest of support or resistance zone, and the second one is break and retest of a stretcher. In the second one we have two types. In the case of bearish trend, we have break and retest of recent low, and in case of bullish trend we have break and retest of recent high. However guys, I just want to stress on it that I do not want to make this video too lengthy, so I'm going to tackle the second option, which is break and retest of stretcher. The former, which is break and retest of support or resistance level, will be a topic for discussion in another video. So you do want to make yourself a favor by subscribing to this channel and turning on the bell notification icon, so that anytime I'll release a video onto this channel, you'll be notified and watch it. Then again, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up when you find value in it. Okay guys, now we know the types of break and retest strategy we have. How do we place our trade for consistent profits using this strategy? So we are going to make use of the following: trend direction. Of course, you don't want to be trading against the dominant trend, so you want to make sure the trend has established the direction well before you proceed with any other analysis. The second thing we are going to make use of is breaker block. It's going to be crucial for this particular strategy. Follow the video step by step to understand. The third thing we are going to make use of is order blocks. Just like the breaker block, it's also going to be crucial for the consistent results of this strategy. Now the last thing that we are going to make use of is none other than Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay, so these are the four things we are going to make use of in this strategy to achieve consistent results. Okay, lest I forget guys, do not buy into any trading strategy which does not show you where to place your stop loss, your entry and take profit. Do not buy into any of those trading strategy. So I just want to stress on it that if you do not understand any of these four things I mentioned and you would like me to make video on any of them, feel free to let me know in the comment section. And remember, the more requests I have, the more motivated I will be to make video about that for you. Let's proceed. Enough of the talking, let me drop you the value of this video. So obviously we have to analyze the market and know the direction of the trend before we jump into the trade or we place any trade. Now you have to start with the market structure analysis. So I'm going to pull out this arrow here and use it as my pointer. We were in a strong downtrend for a while now, but when price gets here, a kind of consolidating, price was not able to break to the downside with any momentum, so there has been a momentum loss at this point. So all we are waiting for is a break of structure at this level. So there comes a break of structure with this impulsive move right here, breaking the recent low here. Okay, breaking the recent low here, making this market tends to direction at this moment, because the other block here has been broken as well to the upside. So this is the type of move we want to see for this setup to work perfectly. I will advise that if you do not see any impulsive move like this, breaking the recent high or low, depending on which trend you are trading in, do not take that trade. You are going to lose money. From experience I'm saying this. So when you have it like this, all we are going to do is mark the recent high or low. In this case we are in a bullish trend, so I'm going to mark the recent high. So I'll pull out my rectangle too, like this, and mark this breaker block here. I said earlier on that if you do not understand anything and you would like me to make video about that, please make sure you leave it in the comment section below. The more requests I have, the more motivated I'll be. Now we mark our breaker block already, which is the recent high over there. By the way, this is volatility 51s. It's only one broker that provides you with this asset to trade, so I'll leave a link down below in case you want to try it out. Okay, let's proceed with the video. Now after marking this order block, we are going to scale down to the lower time frame to determine an order block close to the zone that we have marked here. Pay attention. We're going to scale down to the lower time frame and determine if there is an order block close or at exactly at this zone we've marked here. Okay, so from H4 to H1. So here, this is the H1. Okay, this order block has been already mitigated here. Okay, it has been mitigated here, so it's invalid at this point. But there's this pin bar candlestick here. It's an order block because it shows a pullback before the impulsive continuation of impulsive move right here. Now this is the order block we are interested in. The next thing is we are going to pull out the Fibonacci retracement tool. So we pull out our Fibonacci retracement tool. You extend it nicely like this, and if you see on my Fibonacci retracement tool, I've only have the 50 and 61% level on it. This is what I am interested in. It's because of this strategy that is why I've set up my Fibonacci like this. So if you don't know how to set up your Fibonacci tool, or you don't know how to use it at all, and you like me to make a video about it, remember to alert me in the comment section. Now our order block is coinciding with our breaker block we marked. Then our 50 and 60% level, which is the golden zone, is also coinciding with that same order block. So this is where things get interesting. We are going to place our trade. This is how our trade goes. We are going to place our entry 50% of the order block, then our stop loss a couple of pips below the highlighted area, then our take profits. I usually use 2 take profit for this strategy. The first one is I target 1:3 risk to reward. So I'm risking $15 here, so I'm gonna take my take profit to $45 now. So this is where my first take profit will be, and my second take profit will be at the apex. For instance, this here, there's a resistance zone right here, so I'm gonna place my trade here. Guys, make sure to watch the video to the end, because I have a bonus tip I'm gonna offer at the end of this video. I'm going to show you how you can add additional positions to the existing positions you have. There's a resistance zone right here, so what I'm going to do is I always like to bring my take profits before the peak of the zone. Now, so you realize that price came to the 50 and 60% level as 50% of the order block, then started moving in our predicted direction. So right here our take profits too would have also been triggered, then we are in. So this is how you place your trade, and this same applies to the bearish movement as well.